and you don't compare yourself to others anymore. You feel neither inferior nor superior. The ego is always either inferior or superior. So you might be surprised if I tell you, even I'm a small guy, even if I'm standing next to a big, muscular guy, towering above me, with a big ego. I'm not thinking of anybody in particular at the moment, but it has happened in the past. I don't feel inferior. It's just nor do I feel superior. I'm spirit. You might have a big body and muscles, but I'm the spiritual guy. That would, of course, is the ego talking. And this is a very interesting strategy of the ego. The spiritual ego can come in, and without you knowing it, you still have a conceptual sense of self, but it's turned spiritual. That's a trap that some spiritual teachers fall into too. And you know it when they make certain pronouncements. We touched on this before, and that is, they explain that they are superior to any other teacher, for example. Either any other teacher alive now, or I've seen one or two spiritual teachers or read about them who actually claimed that they are superior to any spiritual teacher that ever lived or ever will live. Well, that should cover it. Here or any other galaxy. So the most important practice on your journey, spiritual journey into the present moment, the journey without distance, is to become comfortable with not knowing, which means to become comfortable with not thinking.